We will discuss the following 7 steps in this video. Step 1. Trend analysis. Step 2. Support and resistance. Step 3. Chart pattern analysis. Step 4. Volume analysis. Step 5. Indicator analysis. Step 6. Risk management. And last, Step 7. Summary. Alright, let's delve deep into the trends of Bitcoin and analyze its future potential. So, let's take a look. Currently, Bitcoin's price is around 64,440 USDT. To understand its trend properly, we should start with the highest time frame. So, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. In the last 12 months, Bitcoin has shown a strong uptrend with 2 significant green candles. This indicates a solid bullish movement. Now, let's focus on the 6-month chart and then on the 3-month chart. Here, we see a continued upward trend with large green candles well above the 20-moving average. This shows that so far, Bitcoin has been following a healthy growth trajectory. However, the future price movement of Bitcoin is still uncertain. Will it continue to rise or start to fall? To answer this, we need to analyze more critical steps in depth. For this, we will examine it in shorter time frames. As we move to the weekly time frame and lower, we see that Bitcoin's price is consolidating within a range. The interesting part is that our moving averages are aligning below the price, acting as strong support levels. This alignment indicates that there is potential for Bitcoin to push towards the next high and reach new peaks. To get a clearer picture, we need to go even deeper in our next steps and analyze support and resistance levels. Let's move to our next analysis step, identifying crucial support and resistance levels to better understand Bitcoin's potential movement. Now, let's identify the current support and resistance levels of Bitcoin. Since March 2024, Bitcoin's price has entered a consolidation phase after achieving a new high. We can clearly see that Bitcoin is facing rejection at a specific price range, creating a strong resistance level there. This resistance level is crucial for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is to achieve a new high, it is necessary to break this barrier. Currently, Bitcoin's price is declining after its latest rejection. To predict a potential upward reversal, we need to identify the support levels. For that, let's examine the chart. On the 3-day chart, we can observe a support zone where Bitcoin bounced back after a previous drop. We mark this area as a key support zone for Bitcoin. This support level will be crucial in determining whether Bitcoin can reverse its current downward trend and push upwards. Now let's move on to our next step and analyze the chart pattern. We can see that the moving averages are aligning to support the price levels. This alignment increases the possibility that Bitcoin will find support around the 20 EMA, 50 EMA, or 50 EMA, which could confirm a bullish wedge pattern. If Bitcoin doesn't bounce from these moving averages, it could come down to this support zone and then bounce back from there. These patterns are crucial in identifying Bitcoin's next move and provide us with key levels worth watching for a bullish breakout. If, according to the analysis, Bitcoin follows this pattern, we could see Bitcoin reaching its next price level of 120,000 USDT. In the next steps, we will analyze the Bitcoin chart more deeply using some indicators. These indicators will help support and confirm our analysis. Let's start with our 4th step, the volume indicator. If we analyze the volumes, trading volumes have significantly decreased since April 2023 compared to the previous volume bars. Moreover, in the past few months, there's been an even more noticeable drop in volume. For Bitcoin to break this consolidation on the upper side, the new green volume bars need to be double or more in length compared to these bars. Only then will Bitcoin's price continue in an upward trend. However, if red candles start forming instead of green, the situation could reverse. In both scenarios, we usually get an indication from a large candle first about the direction in which the price movement is likely to happen. In this step, we will use both the RSI and MACD indicators together. If we observe the weekly chart, we can clearly see that the MACD has had a negative crossover since April 2024, and the price is in consolidation. The RSI is also trending downwards. If we look at the 2-week chart, The RSI is also moving down, and currently, the RSI has crossed both MACD lines, which could indicate a bearish condition. The MACD histogram bars are also decreasing. There are higher chances that Bitcoin will find support in the green support zone on the weekly chart and then move towards the resistance zone. At this time, you might see rallies in altcoins. However, there's also a chance that the MACD could have a bearish crossover on the 2-week chart. In that case, the price won't be able to break the resistance and will likely go back down, entering a longer consolidation period. Now, for the price to break the resistance, a bullish crossover on the MACD in the 2-week chart is necessary, or MACD should start making bigger green histograms. If someone takes an entry in Bitcoin at that point, it could be a profitable situation. And now let's talk about risk management. Sometimes it happens that our chart analysis fails, and the price moves against our prediction. That's why we should also identify the safe exit levels for Bitcoin. Looking at the chart, we are assuming that the price will break the resistance level and go up. But if the price breaks this green support zone, then we should immediately exit from this coin and identify another coin with better potential. Because Bitcoin will then enter a bearish trend again, starting to make lower lows and lower highs, which will only waste your time. Let's summarize all 6 steps briefly at the end. The trend for Bitcoin still appears bullish, and these are its resistance and support zones between which the price is hovering. There are chances that the price might get rejected at the resistance zone once more and come down to take support again, or it might break the resistance this time. So, both possibilities are there. Moving averages are also approaching the support zone, which is a positive sign. Volumes are currently low, but as soon as large green bars start forming, we will get the first signal for entry. The RSI is currently low, around 48, and the MACD green line is also low, forming dark red histograms. When the price touches the MA or support zone and forms some bullish candles, with at least one large volume bar of double length, and the MACD line and histogram have a bullish crossover, that will be our entry confirmation. I hope you understood the analysis. If you want to see more videos in the future, make sure to subscribe to the channel. See you in our next video.